So this morning when I was driving the Corolla, like Toyota Corolla, I start having the rattle sound, like the noise from the bottom of the car. Basically, like when you accelerate at low gear, you can't hear like something like this, like kind of like flipping around. And just turns out it's a heat shield, pretty much fall out because like it's in Canada and it has winter and it has salt. So this part, is particularly the bolts, start like corrode, and the rust is building up, and this part is just like, this whole part is just fall out. So what I did is basically there is a support metal part is not direct contact in the bottom of the car body. So I draw a hole between this part and that part. So I basically draw the hole there. It takes some time. It's kind of, because this part is quite thick. And then I cut off some the bottom of the Coke can and have a washer here, and just use the nuts and screw it and then secure this part. And this part is basically, the bolt is dead. It's kind of like rusted and it's just freezing there. So pretty much I ruined this part. So I can't just really tie a bolt there. So the top part also fell out, and you can see there it's really corroded, that part. So this whole circle is basically just loosened up. So what I did is I have a big washer. Basically, the washer is fall out from this part. So I use that, but it's still not big enough. So I just used another metal part from just leftover from the door lock part. I just secure there to make sure it's larger than the hole, and just to tighten up the bolt and make sure this part is secured. So this whole part is basically secured with actually zero cost. So actually you can do this at home, and I'm pretty sure you can save like a few $100 just for your own. Yeah.